Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Surprisingly, the SEC versus Ripple case has taken a new turn in favor of XRP investors. Judge Analisa Torres recently denied the SEC's letter to file a counter motion to strike out Ripple's fourth affirmative defense, known as Sir Reply, because she was fed up with the agency's delays. The court should not consider the SEC's public enforcement action in the cryptocurrency space filed before the lawsuit, according to Ripple's Sir Reply. Judge Torres recently denied the SEC's application letter because it was unsigned and undated, as well as for failing to identify any specific legal authority for the relief sought. The absence of a date and signature on the application, according to the judge, was just another ruse to prolong the lawsuit. Following the release of Ripple's 2012 legal memos, which provide guidance on how to avoid treating XRP as a security in the eyes of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has heated up in recent days. However, as more documents are released, the lawsuit is expected to pick up steam in the coming days. Judge Sarah Netburn will soon be faced with the most significant decision in the history of Ripple, according to XRP holders' attorney John Deaton. As previously reported, the magistrate ruled recently on the deliberative process privilege issue, granting Ripple a few victories that were enough to be considered a positive outcome for the defendants and XRP holders, as Bill Hinman's speech, as well as related notes and drafts, were not found to be privileged. The SEC then filed a petition for reconsideration as a plaintiff, arguing that what was previously referred to as a personal opinion is now referred to as public guidance. Many people were surprised by the SEC's 180-degree turn after the lawsuit, but it will be up to Magistrate Netburn to decide whether or not they were correct. What are your thoughts on this incident, by the way? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Guys, this week I came upon a very interesting website. See the link in the description below. It's called Stable Pool, and everyone who registers on their website until October 31st will receive up to $50 in crypto. It's a new platform, but during the first week, they received more than $80 million of investments. They also have a partnership with a Japanese exchange called TaoTaoX.com. When you go to their website, you can immediately claim the free $50. After that, you go to Top Up on the left side of the screen. Then at the right, you select a currency and enter the amount you want to deposit. After that, you are free to go and earn money. Note, I'm not a financial advisor, and investing is always at your own risk. With the SEC versus Ripple decision on the horizon, John Deaton, the attorney representing the over 65,000 XRP holders who have been granted amicus curiae status in the case, has shared his thoughts on the decision, emphasizing how crucial it will be for the case's outcome. The decision by Judge Netburn on the motion for reconsideration will be the most important decision in the Ripple case. I say that because I don't think the motion to strike the fair notice defense is that important, because the judge isn't deciding whether Ripple had fair notice, but only whether it can argue it, he explained. The 63 emails containing drafts and comments on the Hinman Ethereum no longer being considered a security lecture are the subject of the reconsideration request in this case. When it comes down to it, the speech's final version mentions both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The final version of the document makes no reference to or mention of XRP. In January 2018, XRP surpassed Ethereum to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, reaching an all-time high above $3. XRP was the world's second largest cryptocurrency 6 months prior to Hinman's speech. What are the chances that none of the 63 emails sent included a single mention of XRP? What are the chances that at least one email chain participant brought up the topic of XRP in his or her message? Someone in the email chain had the opportunity to ask a very logical question, such as, what about XRP? It becomes completely reasonable to ask once someone understands the fundamentals of how Ethereum was created and used, as well as how XRP was created and used. In a recent interview, attorney Wendy Moore A partner at Perkins Coie, a law firm with expertise in both Ethereum and XRP, inquired about the same topic. To put it bluntly, it's difficult to avoid asking that question once you've gained a thorough understanding of both Ethereum and XRP. Joseph Grunfest, one of the Ethereum founder's advisors, explained why this was the case in a letter to the SEC dated December 17, 2020. The attorneys from Perkins Coie, who represented both platforms, answered the same question. XRP is likely to have been mentioned in at least one of the communications. According to the information we have, an analysis of XRP as a security was completed on June 13, 2018, and the letter did not recommend enforcement. If this is the case, the mere fact that XRP was mentioned in the communication is sufficient to exculpate the recipient. If Judge Netburn rules that the emails must be turned over, it will be a turning point in the case. Not to mention that even if the SEC is successful in persuading her that the emails are protected by the DPP, she has the option of piercing the privilege and ordering the records to be turned over for inspection. The fact that she rules the emails are protected but orders the SEC to release them suggests that XRP is being discussed and/or the material is truly exculpatory. If the judge believes the evidence is exculpatory and Ripple has no other way to obtain it than through litigation, the judge may pierce the privilege. If she overturns her previous order and finds that the emails are privileged but does not breach the privilege, the emails, while beneficial to Ripple, are unlikely to be as significant as we believe. Are you convinced that this is all about XRP versus Ethereum? If that's the case, you'll want to give this video a thumbs up. In addition, we have some exciting new information about the XRP cryptocurrency. To put it another way, the whales have gone insane. In the previous 3 months, the trend for XRP addresses with at least 10 million native units has been a return to accumulation, a pattern that was seen prior to a significant surge in the XRP USD and XRP BTC pairings in late 2020. Since December 2021, the number of XRP mega whale addresses has increased by 76%, according to analytics firm Sentiment, which shows that they have added a total of 897 million tokens to their holdings, valued at roughly $712 million as of February 18th. Furthermore, the platform stated that the previous 3 months' XRP accumulation was the second largest in the coin's history, trailing only the first. Between November and December 2020, whales deposited a total of 1.29 billion XRP to their respective addresses in the first large-scale accumulation. It's worth noting that the increase in XRP supply into whale addresses coincided with a rise in the cryptocurrency's price when compared to Bitcoin. The exchange rate between XRP and Bitcoin increased by over 150% between November 1st, 2020 and November 24th, 2020, reaching a high of 3,502 satoshis. XRP also gained ground against the dollar, with the price of XRP USD rising by more than 250% to 82 cents in the same period. The recent surge in a whale-led accumulation, according to Sentiment, has raised the possibility of a similar upward trend in the XRP market. However, as reported by CoinDesk, XRP's meteoric rise in November 2020 was fueled in large part by Ripple's decision to purchase $46 million worth of XRP in order to support healthy markets. According to the most recent data, the current round of XRP accumulation among whales coincided with a minor rebound in recent weeks. This one-of-a-kind lawsuit will determine not only Ripple's fate, but also the future of the cryptocurrency industry. In recent months, the stakes in the lawsuits have risen even higher for both parties, given the fact that Ripple and the SEC are both involved in the case. In the end, a victory for Ripple would boost the crypto industry, which has long chastised the SEC for failing to come up with a rational way to regulate digital assets. The SEC versus Ripple Labs case is a watershed moment in the history of the cryptocurrency industry. To date, no government body in the United States has succeeded in regulating crypto as a security. If the SEC prevails, it will be a watershed moment in the cryptocurrency industry, with ramifications that will ripple throughout the industry. Notably, the sixth largest token, XRP, also displayed bullish price action. Currently, XRP is the most popular cryptocurrency. Surprisingly, this raises the question of whether the XRP community senses a potential win here.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.